Hey, welcome back to Mr. Lucky's Workshop. Today we have a project from last winter when I had a part on my furnace start to fail. I ordered a new part and it arrived broken. I got no response and no help from the company that I bought it from. So I had to fix it myself because, Chicago in the winter, I need my furnace.
So you can see here where it was broken in shipping. Here are all the parts that were still, in the box. Since I've got no real response from the seller, and it's literally snowing in Chicago right now, I need this part for my furnace. I'm going to have to make a repair to this drainage port. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the inside diameter with my calipers. Right? So we're at about 410. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn a piece that will fit inside of here. Because this is nylon, you can see that it's, nylon or fiberglass or glass filled something. I can't really glue these parts back on because there's not enough surface area for that to really, grab a hold. So I'm going to put a tube inside of here and then epoxy this to the tube and epoxy the tube into the port. So I'm going to measure the depth here, just an approximation. So to about the lowest point that broke off, we're a little over, almost 1.25 inches plus the maximum height there. A little over 1/2 inch. So we're going to go like a little bit over probably 1 3/4. So here you can see the piece. Ready? It's going to fit right in here. Like that. And the broken pieces will get epoxied back to it like that. So you can see on the inside here, this is going to, all this material here is going to have to be trimmed away. So I'm going to mark it and then just cut it, grind it away with my Dremel. So here it is, fitted in the part. You can see it fits pretty well. There's no parts that are impeding. This is a drainage, so it just has to be able, the water has to be able to get down into this tube so that it can drain. So here you can see the epoxies, they took off the rubber bands. So yeah, this is just a drainage port, but the whole thing won't function without it. And so there it is, all fixed and ready to be installed.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it all the way to the end. As usual, subscribe, like, that'd be great. And if you like the video, hit the like button. You can hit the bell. It'll let you know next time I release a video. And we'll see you next time on Mr. Lucky's Workshop.